Hi, my name is Maria. In this last week's assignment was to do a video, and we were supposed to discuss on how, the digestive system, so how it works. So first of all, I'm gonna pretend I have a hamburger, and I'm gonna take a bite on the hamburger, and as I take that bite, breaking down the food in my mouth, salivary glands release saliva, which help break down the food even more into smaller pieces in order for me to swallow down the esophagus into my stomach, where there's a chemical called hydrochloric acid. This chemical continues to break down the food, which converts it into energy in the stomach. Is now where most of the nutrients are served, but alcohol and aspirin can be absorbed in this area of the digestive system. Once it leaves the stomach, it passes through the small intestine. But prior to that, I think it passes through I think it's the jejunum. And once it passes through that part of the digestive system, the pancreas releases insulin, which helps bring down levels of in the blood. Anyway, so once it passes that point, it goes into the small intestine, where most of the water, I believe it's 90% of water, is absorbed in this area of the digestive system, as well as a lot of nutrients that have been broken down in the stomach. So there's a lot of chemical breakdown, such as I think it's amino acids, carbohydrates continue to be broken down, sugars, which glucose. And then once it leaves the small intestine, it goes into the large intestine, where it's ready to be defecated. But one thing that I did note was that most of us think that the that digestion ends at the large intestine, but it actually ends at the small intestine. The large intestine is just to, again, release all of the unwanted or used up material that no longer has any more nutrients. It is now released. So that is how digestion works.